Hello everybody, this is Toru from Bitcoin Geekend. This is my first time revealing my face. One of my mentors told me maybe a good idea to show the face. So if you just can hang on a little bit, that's gonna be great for me. Right, so today I want to show you some of the idea that what really going on behind the scene of this up and down market of the Bitcoin and altcoins possibility down the road. Let's just take a look at that. Right, as of now, Japan, this country has got the biggest trading volume because Mrs. Watanabe likes to trade a lot, and the Chinese exchange, their trading volume shrinks because the government surveillance is very severe and money is flowing into Japan. And basically, people in Japan likes trading. If you look at forex trading, retail trading volume, this country has got a single highest trading volume. So I think this is a good idea to take a look at a Bitcoin price quote with JPY. And the chart that I'm showing here is the Bitcoin BTC JPY. The basic assumption of the market is the price, when the price hikes, people's interest in hikes, right? What I did was this is the Bitcoin in Japanese letter, and I searched on the Google Trend, and what they did was sort of the maximum of the people's interest. So the highest interest was 525, and the second, the 525 is second, and 527 is the highest interest of people. And if we look at the price of that to date is 525, the price really printed the highest high, which was nearly 350,000, which is somewhere around 3,200 or 300 US dollars, I believe. Maximum 100 is the 2 days after the highest price. That was the price really tumbled down to nearly 200,000. That was sort of heaven to hell, right? That's a 35 to 20. So it's nearly just dipping down into half of the price within just 2 days to within 48 hours. That was really a heavy drop. Anyway, these 2 days has got the highest interest of people. So I just draw the range of that. The second thing is, what was the date of the biggest increase of people's interest was this point, right? 521 to 522. So this was the time people's interest broke previous, high of the interest. So that I just want to take a look at the 522, this area, right? So 522, somewhere around 290, 295, that sort of the area is somewhere that people's interest really kicked in. And what was the date people's interest lost was, you could say this time in 623, you see the people's interest really broke previous low. So this was 623, or we could say 624 because this was the price fix. So anyway, this is the area that people's interest kick in and people lose their interest to Bitcoin. So that was 280,000 JPY to 295 JPY. That price range is the area where when exceed people's interest kicks in and people lose their interest. So that was pretty interesting price. So I would say I just can narrow down the price a little bit. 285 to 295,000 JPY. Probably this is the area that people come into play. Some people start get interested in when they exceed this zone, and if people cannot pass this area, people's interest lost and they just dip the price. And this time price just bounced back up. We experienced a little bit of pullback, and now we are showing a little going upward movement. And now our interest is inching up 718. That is 718 this area, right? So people's interest is coming back up again, and which is a good thing because people's interest comes in more. And if the Google trend just goes skyrocket, well, of course it's the maximum is 100. So maybe this could go a little bit lower, and we can see the new 100% is coming up. That's gonna be probably when the price go high. The other thing I want to show you is, this is pretty interesting. There was a research that Monex did. So the Monex is the company that offering a online trading for the Japanese retail traders, and they're a pretty big company. And what they did was they researched Japan and US and Hong Kong, and well, this graph represents this 3% or like Hong Kong's 10%. This means they already investing their money into cryptocurrencies, and 35% people interested in, however, not invested. And green shows 60% of Japan no interest cryptocurrency, and 2.4 didn't know about cryptocurrency. So it's pretty interesting. Japan is already having a majority of people knows what the cryptocurrency is all about, and so that means potential customer to Bitcoin. Well, right now, just 3% people just invest in Bitcoin, so that has got a huge potential to move. And the other thing is, this is the Manex. That means these people already invest to some, right? So that means if people's interest hits higher high under this Google trend, the price really easily exceeds 300,000 JPY or 500,000 JPY or probably million JPY, which is equivalent to 9,000 US dollars, etc. That's basic idea. However, what I think is now today is 7/24, and we have a Bitcoin Cash is sort of doing a little hard fork coming August 1st, right? So probably more and more people comes back to Bitcoin, try to get access to Bitcoin Cash, or that's just like dividends for the share, right? So if you have a share on a certain XX day, you will get the amount of dividend, right? So if people retains Bitcoin and August 1st, they can get access to Bitcoin Cash. If that is the case, of course, who knows, Bitcoin Cash flies or dies, or nobody knows it. However, at least people can get access to Bitcoin Cash. If that is the case, people comes back to Bitcoin and try to get access to Bitcoin Cash, and when the dividends fixed, maybe people may sell. I would assume if this 28 to 29 area is the support, and this is the maximum, so probably from today to August 1st, probably this is a range people plays around, and after that, who knows. I really have no idea, but if we take a look at the background of the markets, we have lots of altcoins. We have Ethereum or Dash or etc. However, the best known currency of the crypto is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is, anybody knows it. So probably as people's interest grows, price will gradually moves up. That's down the road. And one of the things it's pretty interesting right now is if you take a look at Ethereum Bitcoin trade pairs. So this orange line represents a Bitcoin JPY. Sorry, this is the Bitcoin US dollars, and this candle chart represent Ethereum Bitcoin pair. So this is a crypto to crypto, and these two assets is somehow correlated, right? When Bitcoin moves up, people are catching up to Ether Bitcoin later on, and if Bitcoin goes down or Ether drops, Bitcoin also drops. So of course, Ethereum is having a little difficult time because lots of ICO came in and people received a heck of money through Ethereum, and so they need to deposit to hard cash like a fiat currencies to do the business. So that's why people are selling Ether a lot. However, as of now, you see the huge price jump of Bitcoin JPY or BTC USD. However, Ethereum Bitcoin pair is sticking around in the lower areas. What I'm expecting is maybe down the road, I don't know, that's August 1st or late after August 1st or something, maybe this price gradually try to catch up, and Bitcoin price, they might gradually goes up, and however Ether may catch up. That's what I'm expecting, but this is purely my personal view. However, if we look at a very short history, well, these two assets are correlating somehow, so I'm assuming these two, maybe this asset may move up a little bit. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, that's pretty much it today. And so I hope you guys enjoy the summer and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.